Happy holidays, everyone, and welcome to Yummy Cooking with Payshintz. Speaking of the holidays, I've gained about 10 pounds eating all this delicious food. And make sure, before we get started, to click that like button and subscribe to my channel because today I'll be making Salmon Wellington. And this is gonna actually gain a couple more pounds on myself, but it is going to be an easy, simple, and delicious dish. So let's get started. Here I have a shallot and I'm gonna just slice it up. Next is our garlic. I'm gonna mince this one up. Now we have our mushrooms. I love shiitake mushrooms. Time to cook our spinach on this stove. So I'm going to use medium-high heat. Heat up my pan. Make sure it's now. Go ahead and put that in there. Garlic that we chopped up. So today I won't be adding extra salt to our spinach. Now I'm gonna add our mushrooms, one of my favorite. Now it's time to put our cream cheese. I'm using about 3 ounces. Let's add our breadcrumbs. All right, I'm gonna add our spinach. This is about 5 ounces. Now it's time to prepare our salmon. Make sure it's all nice and dry. Get a little salt, pepper. Flip these guys over and you can see the other side. A little more salt on the other side. Don't put too much. We gotta watch our salt intake. Pat that down. All right, rest this to the side. I'm going to crack an egg because it's going to help our puff pastry get a golden color. Okay, now we're going to get our salmon ready. Voila. Brush it with our egg wash so it sticks together when I close it up. Little brush here, brush there. Brush it everywhere. We're gonna put our spinach mixture on our salmon. It smells good. Oh my goodness. Make sure you get it evenly on the salmon. Okay. I'm gonna pull this over. This guy's a little high. Brush the ends. Our salmons are all wrapped up. Now I'm going to score it and put the slices. This is going to have a nice design finish. Now I'm going to use our egg wash. The color really makes it stand out when it browns up in the oven. Oven has been preheated, so let's go ahead and throw these guys in. 425, and we're going to cook it for about 20 to 25 minutes. So I'm gonna put our oven timer on. We'll do 20 minutes. If it needs more, we can always add more time. 20 minutes and we'll see what happens. Our Salmon Wellington is ready, and now it's time to try it out. All right, final test. Really nice balance with the puff pastry or the crust, very good. The salmon cooked perfectly, nice flavoring, not too salty because remember, we don't need a lot of salt. Well, try this dish and you'll be 2 tons of fun like me after eating this. Well, thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and I will see you next time. Happy holidays!